Today we're going to be dealing with a blocked dishwasher. As you can see, we've removed the lower tray part of crockery. I'll show you the problem. I think we're totally blocked with water, so I'm going to remove these parts, get them out of the equation, and then I've got a bucket with a couple of cups in to make a start on baling. So I'll use the largest cup first, get as much of it as I can in the bucket, this bucket here, and then hopefully we'll get a bit closer to seeing what has happened. I'm wondering if this is a defective pump. I think we'll kick in the smaller cup. Get in this hole here. As you can see in there, apologies first, it's a bit dark. I'm not sure if we have to remove this clip here to access the pump. I'm going to work on that and get back to you. So I've removed this piece of plastic here. It just covers a little hole up. That's not where the pump is. And removing this torque screw here has revealed the pump. I'll just show you. Try not to lose the screws. That lifts up, and you can see a little pump there. Now there was like some grit underneath it, and it was preventing it moving. And I think I've managed to, it's locking up now. So maybe I'm not quite there yet. I think there may be some obstruction underneath it. I think I'll have to do more baling and see what I can retrieve from underneath this pump, these blades. Okay, we've now got the pump spinning freely. It was locking up before, and I'm going to show you what caused the problem. This is how I retrieved what was under it. I got a bit of movement in the blade of the pump, or the vanes, and I just flicked it quite fast, and it managed to flick a couple of items out which were causing the blockage, or I really hope they were. See, there's a bit of dirt in there, but I'm not too worried about that. It's not going to block anything, it should just be pumped out. Okay, we found 2 pieces of glass, and these were locking the impeller pump. So, just goes to show, it hasn't took me very long to do that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd be so kind.